guys, good afternoon. Ay, may nakita naman ako na pink cherry blossoms. Ang ganda. Wait lang ha. Tutukan din eh. Yan. Oh, ang ganda. O, diba? Yan, palibot yan doon. Dumi na tayo. Dumi. Wow. Yan, no? Pink sakura. Ganda. Napalayo tayo pa. Mas maganda. Oh, yan, di ba? Ang ganda talaga. Oh my God. Wow, pink sakura. Sakura, cherry blossoms. Hello guys. Hi. Good afternoon. For today's video, I would like to show you the pink cherry blossoms. Yeah. Last time I uploaded white cherry blossoms, but now it's pink cherry blossoms. I would like to show you. There, wait a minute. Yarn. Yarn. Pink cherry blossoms, isn't it? And marami yan. Yan pa. There. Tsaka dito din. Ganda, diba? Over there, there's still white cherry blossoms. Then, oh, isn't it? I'm lucky now that I was able to get a video of this pink cherry blossoms. Yeah. Hindi na masyadong maganda kasi umulan kasi this week eh. Until last night. Buti na lang. Hindi pa nalaglag yung mga petals. Pinaka-bloom yata nila ngayon eh. Sorry. Buti na lang maaga din kami natapos sa work. Yan. Naka-video pa ako para sa inyo. Yan. Cherry blossoms here in Japan. The pink cherry blossoms. Ganda. Wow, pink cherry blossoms. There. Nice. Yeah. Pink cherry blossoms. Last time, I had a video in white cherry blossoms.